Hey, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant here from Growth Aspire. So, in this video, I want to show you one of the coolest feature of ChatGPT, which is especially for salespeople, for anyone who is into some level of prospecting, how you can use ChatGPT for a role play. So, as you see, this is my ChatGPT window, and I just want you to quickly get an idea how I'm using as a role play. So you need to first create this prompt where I'm using a prompt like, hey, it's a role play. I'm an SDR and new to sales. My role is to book meetings with sales heads as well as my CFOs about the new tool we are improving on sales using AI. So my audience is from India and mid-sized companies. I want you to play the role of a customer and react to the approach as I go. So I do mostly call from telephone. So answer if you're a sales head or a CFO of a company and raise any objections to my offer. And then please advise me about my strength and weakness. So as you see, when I create this very clear prompt to the chat GPT, he understands and immediately says, yes, let's play the role play. I will play the role of a sales head or a CFO. Whenever you're ready, start the call and I will react accordingly. So he's ready to play the role play. So you just have to say, okay, hey, I'm speaking to Mr. Vijay. So now the call is going on. So basically, I did this on the telephone where I can use the speaker mic facility also of ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT basically replies as how can I assist you? It's very quick in reply. So he's a customer, right? So he is now responding. So I'm thanking him for the call. This is my script. I'm just running my script, and immediately, as you see, he is coming back with I'm a bit tied up with the moment like any customer. I can spare a couple of minutes. Please brief what is this program. So I'm just giving again some details of my program, and then it says, well, we have been exploring a lot of tools. However, we have come across numerous. So what makes your program? It's another typical objections people have, and I have come up with some script where I'm explaining. And then finally he says, yeah, it piqued my interest and let's have a schedule a call. And as you see, if after that he's also giving me what is the strengths and the areas of improvement. It's like how was the engagement, how was the relevance, how was the experience, value proposition, address objections, flexibility and scheduling. All these things he is giving. But again, all these things he is giving, but I can specify also in certain areas where I did. So here's one more thing. Here's another case where I'm telling it's a role play. I'm an SDR to my book meetings with CTOs or the founder of startup companies who have raised money recently. So my audience is mostly from India as well as US, and I want you to play a role of a customer and react to the approach as I go. So I do call from telephone. So answer if you're a CTO or a founder and raise any objections, and then please advise me about the stats. So here again, the ChatGPT plays a very good role of a customer. It is starting with, and I am responding to him. This is Vijay from Talent Software. I'm going through a profile. My script I'm running. So he says, thanks, congratulations. So as a customer, he's quite very approachable. I see. He's not very harsh here. But he's asking with some of the things which typical customer shows, like what do you have in mind? I've got only a couple of minutes, so I need to come up with a script where I said certain things like very quickly I can explain and can he come on a call. So he also again one more objections he raised. Now, this is where he finally agrees to this call. So, as you see, the chat GPT can be used as for the role play very well. But I gave a very simple prompt, but I can make the prompt very effective by telling what potential objections my customer might come up, and ChatGPT can play the role of those customer and raise those objections, and it will be much more interactive sessions. But the overall, this is one of a very powerful way to leverage ChatGPT for sales, which has been very difficult for a lot of people to do the role play. And as you see, it gives a very nice summary of strengths and weakness and areas of improvement. So go ahead and try this approach. If you are in the sales, especially doing cold calling or trying to pitch for your company to investors, this is one of the best way to use. But if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, how you can use for your own sales and business growth, then I'll join my free training session which I am conducting. Click the link below, and I will share you a lot more tips, but also more about how to build these kind of prompts and what are the things you should really incorporate to get a lot more work done. But also some of the things you must not do with ChatGPT. That's what I'm going to share you. go ahead and click the link below and join. And do share a comment or how you like this. I will be coming up across with a lot more videos of how ChatGPT can be used for your own business and sales growth. Thank you.